Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my Managing Cisco Networks via Infrastructure as Code course. This course builds on your previous software development and DevOps skills with a heavy focus on networking. You'll learn how networks operate and how to effectively apply automation by exploring these topics: computer networking fundamentals, deployment and usage of common IP services, model-driven programmability based on Yang, enabling infrastructure as code using netconf, Ansible, and more. Last, utilizing RESTconf as a lighter-weight alternative to netconf. After completing this course, you'll be able to employ a variety of network automation techniques in any business environment. Before beginning this course, I suggest viewing these two important prerequisite courses. This Getting Started course covers important contextual topics surrounding software design, source control, and the construction of a simple web application. It also covers some Python and Bash basics you'll need to understand for this course. This second course covers two key topics: interacting with a variety of Cisco product APIs and the fundamental techniques used in DevOps. Some of these DevOps concepts are relevant for network automation too. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn modern network management with this Managing Cisco Networks via Infrastructure as Code course at Pluralsight.